5 Health Benefits of Coffee. Can coffee improve your health? International Coffee Day is being celebrated on October 1st, but did you know about these amazing health benefits that the humble drink offers? International Coffee Day 2021 is being celebrated on October 1st all over the world. Coffee is the morning ritual for millions of people around the world, and research shows that it might do more good for our body than just jumpstart our day. While there are side effects of drinking too much coffee like heartburn, upset stomach, anxiety, rapid heartbeat, or fatigue, the good news is that this beloved drink, whether it is an espresso, drip coffee, latte, or good old cold brew, is indeed healthy. So, if you need an excuse to celebrate your daily drink, here are 5 health benefits of coffee. 1. Coffee can help boost your mood. While many of us intuitively believed in coffee, it has turned out to be true. This drink can brighten our day. As per a study, researchers say that the drink has been linked to the best feelings like euphoria and happiness. Regular coffee consumption is linked to more positive feelings like pleasure, kindness, affection, friendship, calm, and greater happiness. There are also some studies that show that regular coffee consumption is linked to a reduced risk of depression among women. So, we don't know why coffee causes this happiness, but we know there is a link between coffee and positive mental health. When it comes to these feel-good benefits, coffee intake up to about 3 to 5 cups a day with a maximum intake of 400 milligrams of caffeine can be good for your body. However, if you are pregnant, ensure to limit your caffeine intake to not more than 300 milligrams per day. 2. Coffee contains lots of antioxidants. Coffee beans are rich in antioxidants, which you can think of as good guys that battle free radicals or unstable molecules that can damage your body cells. And if left unchecked, these free radicals potentially can lead to chronic health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. One key antioxidant in coffee called chlorogenic acid, a beneficial plant-based compound, is being shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and potentially play a role in protecting against chronic diseases by reducing oxidative damage. 3. Coffee may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Another plus point of drinking coffee is that it is inversely associated with type 2 diabetes. This means that your daily coffee drinking can reduce your chance of developing type 2 diabetes by 6% for each additional cup, to be exact, according to a 2018 meta-analysis of 30 previously published studies. Scientists say this may be because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect, its ability to help burn calories, and its ability to help to protect the gut microbes found in our gastrointestinal tract. 4. Coffee is tied to a lower rate of many other diseases. Studies suggest that coffee consumption can also help to protect you against heart disease and Parkinson's disease. Chances are you are well aware of the short-term brain benefits of coffee, such as an increase in alertness and improved memory that pops up in 24 hours of drinking coffee. But coffee can also sharp up your memory for the long term. So, the link between coffee consumption and cognitive health is likely due to the antioxidant content of the coffee, which is shown to be anti-inflammatory. 5. Coffee could help you become a better athlete. Ever notice that you can lift heavier and run further after your cup of coffee? Coffee might help you recover from a heavy workout too. Coffee has been shown to improve athlete performance, including reducing pain and maybe allowing you to go a little bit harder, faster, and longer quality workout. It has also been shown to improve endurance and reduce muscle soreness. Also, a few interesting studies have shown that drinking coffee with a meal containing carbohydrates increases the carbohydrate storage in muscle. This leads to a significant increase in glycogen storage, thus helping your workout the next day, as you will have more energy to power through the workout. So go ahead, pour yourself another cup of coffee. It might help contribute to a healthier body and mind. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.